So everyone, today. Okay, I know what you mean. So today, this is my Apple show. It's an Apple show, and that will you like or no? These are some. This is my animal book. No, sorry, I'm singing animal and insect. I love stuff about it. So let's go number one. No, oh, just kidding. This is all blue. I don't want to see the blue. There's nothing on blue. Page number. Oh, it's page number 4. Okay, let's start from page number 4. Look, these are animals. Oh, I would like to go in some scary places. Change my shirt, right? Okay, let's start from. Oh, I do not like to see it. I don't. It's all spiders. Anyways, I wonder why they dance. These are the spiders. See the spiders? I don't like spiders. I know one name of a spider too. I know the tarantula. If you mess with a tarantula, the tarantula might make you dizzy like for 36 hours. I heard it from Brightside. From Brightside. You don't know about Brightside? Okay, just find Brightside. Whatever it is, I know too. You know tarantula? I will make 36 hours disease wherever it bites has, I guess. So, you want to see the picture of a tarantula? This is the tarantula. This what I'm touching. See what I'm touching? This is a tarantula. This is a tarantula. See what I'm touching? This is called a tarantula. Okay, now let me show you some more. You know, one time I got a bite from fire ants. Fire ants bite you. You know what I got? I got venom. It happened on my feet and leg. I guess I got venom or something. Whatever it is. I do not remember what I got. Got bites. So at maybe 2-3 o'clock, I guess, I was staying awoke. And my mom was lying around on the sofa and I was watching TV at the time. How crazy. This is what people do when they're got injured. Right? So let me show you the scary most. Look. Look at Shane. Shane. I don't like this. Look at this one. Look, see. How terrible. It looks so scary. Show you? Show you that. This. How scary is it? Count how much scary. Can you see blue eyes? Who wants blue eyes? Look at its teeth. I guess I do not have this much teeth. Look at my teeth. I got 2 lost. Now one is going to fall. I guess it's about to fall. So when it will fall, I will eat it at this side, I guess, or maybe this side. Whatever side is it. Whatever side, okay? Next. Let me find a more page. More new. Okay, so butterflies. I see 50 butterflies. Oh, let me show you all of these. No. So these are butterflies. These are all butterflies. You don't need to. These are 30. These are 30. You count them, and one is. I wonder why it's jumping here. On this little place, you will see there are only 29. But they said 30. But what is the truth? The truth they are doing shoot because this is the little cheeky one. It's red. It's Serge. This is the cheeky. And these are all tadpoles. Wait a minute. What? They're frogs and volcanoes. They want to make us crazy. That's why. They're 40. And these are 50 butterflies. I like butterflies. You know, my dad, when he was a kid, I guess he touched a butterfly, and that butterfly color just licked on his finger. It happened to my dad, not me. And did you know, one night I couldn't sleep. At 3 o'clock, my dad took me for a drive. I didn't remember what my mom was doing, but my dad took me at 3, the night time of 3. I couldn't sleep. Next, for a long drive, my dad took me. And next, I started sleeping into that car, and my dad take me into his arms, like this is how people do to the baby, and the baby, and baby, and they put me in the crib. Bye bye. I will talk to you later. If you like to see more channels, you can